To explain the simple problem in Markov process. Let us see the problem. A salesman's territory consists of three cities A, B and C. He never sells in the same city on successive days. If he sells in city A, then the next day he sells in city B. However, if he sells in either B or C, then the next day he is twice as likely to sell in city A as in the other city. In the long run, how often does he sell in each of the cities? Let us see the answer. Let city A I am taking pi 1. City B I am taking pi 2. City C I am taking pi 3. Next, the property of pi we have pi 1 plus pi 2 plus pi 3. If you are adding, you will get 1. If you multiply pi p is equal to pi. Okay, so these two are very important. So pi p is equal to pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 is equal to 1. Next, you have to form the transition probability matrix. Transition probability matrix of the TPM. The transition probability matrix of Markov chain. So how to find the transition probability matrix? P is equal to capital P, which is equal to 3 by 3 matrix A, B, C. So A, B, C. He never sell A to A, he never sells, right? So A to A, B to B, C to C, 0. B to B, 0. C to C, 0, right? This is very important. So next, A to B, 1. If he sells in A, then the next day he sells in B. So probability of A to B is 1. If you are adding, first every row must give 1. So A to A 0, A to B 1 means A to C automatically 0. B to B 0. Next, if he sells in B, then the next day he sells it twice in A. He sells in B or C. Next day he sells twice in A. So therefore, if he sells in C, I am taking pi. He is selling in A twice as C. So pi 2 pi, I am taking 2 pi. So 2 pi plus pi, total value is equal to 1. So 3 pi, which is equal to 1. So pi is equal to 1 by 3. So 2 pi pi. If he sells in C, 1 by 3. So twice in A. So 2 by 3. The same if he sells in B or C. B 1 by 3. If he sells in A, he has to sell in A 2 by 3 twice. So 2 by 3. So this is the transition probability matrix. This is the transition probability matrix. So sum of elements of any row. Sum of elements of first row 1, second row 1, third row 1. So this is called as stochastic matrix. This TPM is called as stochastic matrix. So next one, pi p, already as I explained, the property of pi which is equal to pi. Take this equation number 1. Next, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 which is equal to 1. Take this equation number 2. So next, the pi p is equal to pi. Pi p which is equal to pi. That's why pi, here is 3 by 3 matrix. So pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi p. P value already we have got from the problem 0, 1, 0, 2 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 0. Pi p, which is equal to pi. Pi means pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. So now you have to, know how to multiply first row with the first column. So 0 pi 1, 2 divided by 3 pi 2, 2 divided by 3 pi 2 plus 2 divided by 3 pi 3, which is equal to pi 1. So take this equation number 3. Next, first row, second column, pi 1 plus 0 pi 2 plus 1 by 3 pi 3, which is equal to pi 2. Take this equation number 4. So next, third one is 0 pi 1 plus 1 by 3 pi 2, which is equal to pi 3. So take this equation number 5. So equation number 3 we can write. Equation number 3 we can write. What is equation number 3? 2 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3 pi 2 plus 2 by 3 pi 3. For pi 3 in equation number 5, pi 2 divided by pi 3. So pi 2 divided by 3. Pi 2 divided by 3, which is equal to pi 1 from by equation number 5. Now you can, this is 2 by 3 pi 2. This is 2 by 2 divided by 9. Okay. So 2 by 3, 2 by 9 pi 2 is equal to pi 1. So if you simplify this, next one is 2 by 3 pi 2, 2 by 3 pi 2 plus 2 pi 2 divided by 9, which is equal to pi 1. So therefore, if I am taking LCM, so 6 pi 2 plus 2 pi 2 divided by 9, which is equal to pi 1. So 8 pi 2 divided by 9, which is equal to pi 1. So pi 1 is equal to 8 by 9 pi 2. This is very important. So take this equation number 6. The next one is from equation number 5. What is equation number 5? Equation number 5 gives 1 by 3 pi 2, which is equal to pi 3. 1 by 3 pi 2, which is equal to pi 3. This is equation number 5. So next equation number 2 becomes pi 1 plus pi 2 plus pi 3, which is equal to 1. Take this equation number 7. So therefore, substitute here 6 and 7 for which one? 8 by 9 pi 2. Pi 1 is equal to, for here in equation number 2, for pi 1, 8 pi 2 divided by 9 from equation number 6. For pi 1, pi 2, as it is pi 2, you have to write, plus pi 3. Pi 3 is equal to 1 by 2 pi 3. 1 by 3 into pi 2. So pi 2 divided by 3, which is equal to 1. So therefore, pi 2, if I am taking LCM, so 8 pi 2 plus 9 pi 2 plus 3 pi 2 whole divided by 9 is equal to 1. So 20 pi 2 divided by 9, which is equal to 1. So pi 2 is equal to 9 divided by 20. Pi 2 is equal to 9 divided by 20. Substitute in equation number 6 you will get. So pi 2 is equal to, so equation number 6 becomes, what is equation number 6? 8 pi 2 divided by 9, which is equal to pi 1. What is pi 2? Just now we have got 9 divided by 20. So 8 divided by 9. Pi 2 is 9 divided by 20, which is equal to pi 1. So therefore pi 1 is equal to 8 divided by 20. 8 divided by 20 is equal to pi 1. Okay, so equation number 7 becomes 1 by 3 pi 2, which is equal to, right, pi 3. 1 by 3 pi 2 is equal to pi 3. So pi 2 value is equal to 1 by 3 9 divided by 20, which is equal to pi 3. So 3 divided by 20, which is equal to pi 3. So we have got all the values, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3. So substitute the steady state distribution of the chain is, the steady state distribution of the chain is pi is equal to pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, which is equal to pi 1 is 8 by 20, pi 2 is 9 by 20, pi 3 is 3 by 20. This is the answer. But in the question there is long run he sells, the percentage we got to find. So therefore pi is equal to 8 by 20, 9 by 20, 3 by 20. Matrix, no need to put the comma symbol. So which is equal to 8 by 20 into percentage means 100 you have to change percentage, 9 by 20 into 100 percentage, 3 by 20 into 100 percentage, which is equal to 40 percentage, 45 percentage, 15 percentage. So in the long run city A is 40 percentage, city B is 45 percentage, city C is 15 percentage.